Hey science fans! Did you know our closest planetary neighbor isn't always Mars? Sometimes it's Venus. Venus is often called Earth's twin, similar in size and rocky composition, but with a wildly different personality. It shines as the brightest star in our sky, inspiring wonder for thousands of years. Venus orbits closer to the Sun, zipping around faster than Earth. Sometimes it comes within just 40 million kilometers, closer than any other planet. For centuries, people imagined Venus as a tropical paradise hidden beneath thick clouds. Science fiction dreamed up jungles and ancient civilizations. But the truth is far more extreme. As telescopes and spacecraft improved, we discovered Venus is no paradise. Instead, it's a world of crushing heat and pressure, a beautiful planet hiding a harsh secret. Even our toughest robots struggle to survive there. So, what makes Venus so extreme? Let's find out why it's the solar system's most dangerous vacation spot. Get ready to meet Earth's wild twin, Venus, close, mysterious, and nothing like we imagined. Let's peel back the clouds and see what's really next door. The adventure starts now. Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system, hotter even than Mercury. Its surface temperature, a blistering 465 degrees Celsius, 870 degrees Fahrenheit, enough to melt lead. Why? A runaway greenhouse effect. Venus's thick atmosphere traps heat and never lets it go. The air pressure is crushing, over 90 times what we feel on Earth, like being 900 meters underwater. Any visitor would be flattened instantly. And those clouds? They're made of sulfuric acid, not water. Acid rain forms in the upper atmosphere, but it evaporates before reaching the ground, leaving a toxic haze. The surface is rocky and volcanic, with vast plains and giant volcanoes. The sky glows a dim yellow-orange. No blue, no water, just a scorched desert. Venus is fascinating, but it's a world built to destroy. No swimsuits here, just survival gear we haven't invented yet. Welcome to the ultimate no-go zone. How do we know all this? Meet the Venera missions, Soviet robotic explorers from the 1960s and 70s. Early attempts failed. Venus crushed, melted, and fried the probes. But engineers kept improving, building landers like armored tanks. In 1970, Venera 7 became the first spacecraft to land on another planet and send data home, surviving just 23 minutes. Later, Venera 9 sent back the first photos from Venus's surface, a flat, rocky wasteland under a gloomy sky. Venera 13 lasted over 2 hours, sending color images and soil data. Each mission was a race against time. Venus always won, but we learned more with every try. These robotic pioneers revealed a world more hostile than anyone imagined. The Venera landers were true heroes of exploration. Their sacrifice taught us, Venus is a planet that does not welcome visitors. But they also proved we could reach even the harshest worlds. Thanks to Venera, Venus's secrets are no longer hidden. The quest for knowledge continues. Why is Venus so good at destroying our machines? 3 words: heat, pressure, acid. Electronics melt at 465 degrees Celsius. Circuit boards and chips fail instantly. The pressure is like being deep underwater. Only the toughest, heaviest landers survive even briefly. Venus's atmosphere is a chemical nightmare. Sulfuric acid eats away at metal and electronics. Solar panels are useless under thick clouds, so landers rely on batteries that quickly overheat and die. Even sending data home is tough. The dense atmosphere weakens radio signals. Every mission is a desperate sprint to gather data before the lander fails. Designing a Venus lander is like building a deep-sea sub for a volcano. The planet's triple threat makes long-term exploration nearly impossible. But every challenge teaches us more about engineering and survival. Venus is the ultimate test for robotic explorers. It's a world that pushes our technology to the limit, and still, we keep trying. Because the science is worth it. Could humans ever visit Venus? Not with today's technology. Spacesuits can't handle the heat, pressure, or acid. An astronaut would be destroyed instantly. Even our best robots last only hours. But scientists aren't giving up. The best hope? Floating above the danger, about 50 kilometers up where conditions are more Earth-like? Imagine a high-tech blimp or floating station, drifting safely in Venus's upper clouds. From there, we could study the atmosphere and send short-lived probes to the surface. Missions like NASA's Da Vinci Plus and Veritas are already in the works. Venus is a deadly challenge, but also a scientific goldmine. Exploring it could help us understand our own planet's climate and history. For science, no world is too extreme.